Okay, so this is a demonstration on how we can use our virtual math manipulatives as a tool to solve math problems. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. But I will first say that this is not the only tool. There's a lot of different things you can do. But with math and with word problems, I tend to recommend having manipulatives, especially for younger kids. It really does help them to visualize the models. Alrighty then. So let's do this. Number one, Lucy had $38. One weekend she earned $25 raking leaves for the neighbors. How much money did Lucy have then? So this is pretty straightforward. We're going to have 1, 10. And the child will come up here and pick up 10 and then add 20, 30. And then how much is 8? So they'll go, okay, 8. I need to pull out 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the 38 portion right here. So I'm just gonna label this. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. I'm gonna label this 38, okay? And then it says that one weekend she earned $25 raking leaves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a different color and I'm gonna add on 25. So here are my two 10s, 10, 20, and then I'm gonna do my 5 1s. So I would have liked to make that red, but I guess I can't make that red. But anyway, I'm gonna do 5 1s, but I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna say, oh, there's a gap there. Let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I can just do a simple count by tens to find the answer. So actually, since I did label the 38, let me go ahead and label that 25 here. Okay, so if this were all green, I wanted that to be green. I wanted this to be green. So you would have been able to see the 25 a little better. But anyway, let's count. So now we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So I'm going to write my little equal sign. And that's going to equal to 63, right? Okay, another huge benefit of using the manipulatives is that you can visualize things like that and see how the numbers really work together and through your model. Okay, so when we get to teaching division now, which we're going to do in number 2. Oh wait, number 2 is that division. Hector collected seashells at the beach. He put the shells in 7 boxes. Each box held 12 shells. So our unknown is how many shells that there are altogether. So we have the groups, the 7 boxes, right? So like, let's say if I were a kid, there's many different ways to solve this problem, but I know there are boxes. So I'm going to draw my little boxes.